Hello, my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story, a calm, gentle, meaningful story about listening to your heart. There was a boy named Kunal. Kunal always listened to others. He listened to friends. He listened to family. He listened to everyone. But Kunal had one problem. He never listened to himself. People told him what to study. People told him what to do. People told him how to live. Kunal followed every voice, except his own. Slowly, he felt confused. He felt unhappy. He felt lost. One evening, Kunal went for a walk alone. The sky was quiet. The air was calm. He sat on a bench, closed his eyes, and took a deep breath. For the first time, he asked himself, "What do I want? What makes me happy? What does my heart say?" At first, there was silence. Then slowly, his heart spoke. It said, "I want peace. I want meaning. I want to be myself." Kunal felt something change inside. The next day, he talked to his father. He said softly, "I respect everyone, but I also want to respect myself. I want to listen to my heart." His father listened carefully and smiled gently. He said, "My son, people will always give advice, but only your heart knows your true path. Listening to your heart is not wrong. It is brave." My friends, this story is for you too. The world is full of noise. Everyone has an opinion, but inside you, there is a quiet voice, a gentle voice, a true voice. Listen to it, because your heart knows the way. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep trusting yourself. And always remember, your heart knows the path.